Hello, mic check. Hello, everyone. It's Wagan again here, live, and again we're having another game dev session. Oh, hello there, Idwin. Hello, welcome. Happy to see you. Uh, we are once again making a horror game. And let's get started. I think okay, a little bit of review from yesterday. We made all the classes for the Exorcist, and we finished them all in a single day, in a single stream. Thank God. That's a really big progress for me. And right now, today, we're doing the lobby room. Lobby room where we can create a room for the multiplayer, or we can see the list of the room, and we can join a room. And yeah, do you like what you saw in DMs? Yes, sir. My only I really like it. It looks very professional. The only main concern is the format, how it's gonna be. It's using ZBrush. I think there's a export ZBrush from Unity. The format from ZBrush to Unity. I wonder if there's one. Let's do some research. Let's go back, change our scene. ZBrush to Unity. And then he also mentioned let me just read this. It's tight turn around. I can do work in ZBrush. That can help, though. That wouldn't take as long, and you can give others a jumping off point for the base model. The Nangal would probably be the easiest starting point because that would be what ZBrush does best. Oh, I see. I thought Nangal would be the hardest, but I guess I'm wrong. I'm not oh yeah, there's a ZBrush to Unity, so we're basically all good. Yeah, we can do it. Nice. Yeah, it would be nice if we get a volunteer to do our 3D modeling. All right. Okay, let's go back to Unity. Hi. Okay, so we're gonna create a new scene for this task. Let's go back and get the overview of what kind of thing we're gonna make today. So basically, we're just gonna make a view to list all available room, a view to create a room, a view to join the room, and above all, we should implement the functionalities of that. Is the music okay? It's not too loud or anything? Okay. Yes, good. Nice. All right. And then let's get started. First, we're gonna create a new scene because right now this scene is for playground. This is where we're gonna test our stuff stop. So for the multiplayer, we're gonna create a new scene. Let's say this is gonna be the main menu. So this is like when you open a game, this is the first thing you're gonna see. Okay, let's go there. Right now, as you can see, it is empty. Okay, we're gonna create a new user interface, and for starter, we're gonna create canvas. There you go. And then we're gonna create a we're gonna rename this. So we're gonna rename this to main menu canvas. There you go. And then let's say this is gonna be the multiplayer UI. Okay, multiplayer UI, and then I'm gonna create a parent. Cool. All right. And then what? Okay. So for now, let's do something really thing here. 0, 0, 0, 0, and then parents. 10, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. And then we're gonna create a background. Oops. And this background has an image. For now, we should just probably let's make it not really hurting your eyes or something. Maybe like this color. Okay, and then we're gonna create a button that says multiplayer button. It's like a single player, multiplayer, and then options, and then something like that, right? So yeah, multiplayer should be multiplayer button. Nice. And then on the multiplayer button, we're gonna create the this is the button, and then we're gonna create the icon. Okay, and then the text holder. Okay, on the icon, we're just gonna set this to 0, 0, 0, 0. And then on the text, we're gonna also set this to 0, 0, 0, 0. And then on the multiplayer button, we're just gonna squish this in. And then we're gonna up. And then we're gonna squish it like that. And then we're gonna put it here in the middle, yeah. And we're gonna add an image again. I wonder if we could use some let's see. I wonder what kind of... Okay, I think that one works for now as a placeholder. And then we're gonna create a text mesh pro UI. There you go. And then we're gonna say multiplayer. I think we should also consider the localization of the text or the UI. Localization, there's gonna be like English, Japanese, Korean, Portuguese, German. What else? Chinese. So we should consider that. We should take that as a note and consider that for the future. So once we need a localization, we have a multiple languages in a game. So having it hard coded is not good. But for now, it's we're gonna let it pass because it's just a prototype. Okay. Okay. Let's make that black. There you go. Okay, that's the button. Gonna make that button. Cool. Okay, and then we're gonna go back and Google and then documentation. The multiplayer that we're gonna do is the what was it again? Mirror Unity. And we're gonna go to their documentation. Okay. Don't worry about this. They have the user manual here. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. Okay, there you go. User manual. So they have a general, getting started. Okay, getting started. There you go. They have the network manager set up. Add a new game object to the scene and rename it network manager, and then add the network manager component to the network manager, and then yada. Player free fab. Find the player free fab. Player movement. Okay. Remote actions. Non-player game objects. Spawner position, and then script templates. Network authentication. Oh, network room manager. I think network room manager is what we're looking for, right? But let's see. Let's go to the components or guides. I think there's a guides here. Authority, ID, synchronization, game object, communication. Let's see. Communication, network manager. I think we should probably go to network room manager. I think this is the right keywords that we are looking for. Please see the room example. Please see the room example in the examples folder in your mirror folder. The network room manager is specialized to type of network manager that provides a multiplayer room before entering the main play scene of the game. It allows you to set up a network with a maximum player limit. Okay, that's good. We need a 5-player limit. Automatic start when all players are ready. Nice, they already have that. Game is locked after the start, preventing late joiners. Ooh, nice. Customizable ways for players to choose option while in room. Okay, create when connects and persist until client disconnects. Hold flags, one for each player. handles the command. Okay. Player prepub, auto create player, telepathy, network room manager, properties, show GUI, on room start host, on room stop host. Okay, let's do some experiment first. Okay, it says we're gonna create a new game object, and then we're gonna name it network room manager, and then we're gonna add the network room manager. Nice. And then the scene, I'm just gonna do that, and then player prepub. For the player prepub, we're just gonna use this player prefab has a network identity, network transform. Room player prepub. Room scene. Oh, there's actually different room scene. Room scene. Okay, I think we're just gonna create a new scene. We're just gonna name this room scene. Okay. Room scene is quite empty, so just gonna room scene and then gameplay scene. Gameplay scene here. Room player prefab. I don't know what's room player prefab, but I'm guessing that's a player test. Okay, let's try that. Oh, network room player. Oh, network room player. Rooms, list of rooms now. Okay. For now, let's do it too. Okay, there we go. Network room player. Network room player stores per player state for the room manager. While in the room, when using this component, you need to write a script which allows players to indicate they are ready to begin playing, which sets the ready to begin property. The game object with the room player network components must also have a network identity component. When you create a network room player component on a game object, Unity also creates a network identity component, yada yada yada. Enable this to show the developer this UI also intended to be ease of development. This is enabled by default. Index, okay. Player room network. Okay, player room network. Let's create that one. Player room network, and we're gonna add the network player room. Observer, owners, And we're gonna do that, delete this, and then we're gonna do that. There you go. Cool. Let's try playing that. Must have network identity. It has network identity. Wait, that's it? The heck? It doesn't have a GUI or something? Hey, what the heck? Enable this to show. Okay. Getting started with Network Manager. That's kind of weird. So it has a network manager and also has a network room manager. What's the difference? Is the core controlling component of a multiplayer game. To get started, create an empty game object in your starting scene and add network manager component. Newly added manager component looks like this. Yeah, I already have that, but it's in different thing. What I want is the network room manager. Please see the example. Okay, they have example in the in their assets, so we're gonna take a quick look on that one. Let's go to mirror examples, multiple matches. Oh, there you go. They have a room here, and then okay, they have scene. I don't know which one is. Okay, offline scene. So we have a offline scene here. Okay, and then we're gonna hit play, right? Hit play, and then we're gonna host client. Host a server running. Server. Stop server. Server only. Stop server. That's kind of weird. What the heck I'm doing here? Let's actually. Okay, there's a readme here. We're gonna take a look at that. In build settings, remove all scenes, all the scenes from the example folder. If you open the offline scene before doing the above step, in build settings, remove all scenes and add. Oh, okay. Okay. Thank God there's a readme. If not, I'm just gonna. Okay, add open scenes. I wanna add more scenes. Can I add more scenes, please? Okay, add open scenes. Add open scenes. Okay. All right. If you open the offline scene before doing the above steps, you may have to reassign the scenes to the network room manager. Okay, we need to reassign this. Okay, there we go. And then file, build and run. Start up to 4 build instance. This will all be the client players. Open the offline in the editor and press play. Okay, that's gonna be a really complicated example, but for now we're just gonna network room manager, room slot, anyway, so we're gonna build and run. I should probably implement the, okay, never mind. Oh god, takes a while. Okay, building. Okay, this is how we're gonna test the multiplayer. We're gonna build a client, and then we're gonna test the two multiple client and editor. So it's like a 2-player. It said here that we should start up 4 build instances, but I think two build instances should be enough. All right, and then where is it? Oh, okay. So this is the client, and then this is the editor. We're gonna hit play on the editor, and then we're gonna move on to the client. And the client, let's hit the host and server. Okay, seems like this is a room list, and then on the room list we're gonna, okay, this is the host of the server, host running, right? And then we're just gonna say client. Okay, there's player 1 and player 2, and then you can remove it. Okay, that's a nice example. Let's say I'm ready. Okay, and then we're gonna go to the editor. Oh, we can see that player 1 is ready. We are player 2. We're gonna get ready. Okay, once we are ready, oh, we can start the game. All right, let's do that. Okay, and then let's move on to the editor. Oh, nice. Okay, I see. Okay. I'm not sure how do you guys okay, I'm gonna move on the edit. I'm gonna change my thing here. As you guys can see, the editor is moving on the other way around. You guys can see it. I'm not sure if you guys can see it here, but let's see. Yeah, you guys cannot see it, but It's kind of hard to how do I say this? Mm, um, yeah. Well, anyway, you guys get the get the lobby. Yeah, we're just gonna copy the example right there, and yeah, we're all set on the lobby. I'm just concerned about I'm concerned about the how do you call this, lag? There's a lag time, maybe 0.01 seconds, but I think that's doable. All right. Oh, you can return on room. Okay, I see. We can return on room. So after we finish the game, we can return on room. Okay, that actually really useful example. Yeah, and it's a very useful example. Okay, we have that kind of example, so probably we're just gonna copy it, and then we're gonna change the UI, user interface, and make it I'm not sure if we should change it or not on the prototype. I feel like in the prototype that one looks very wait yeah, because you're gonna wait, how do you list all the room though? Oh, there's a host here, and then you do the host. Then how do you list all the room? Okay, I think there's should be a must use show room GUI, show the default room controls for the room player prefab room scene on room start host, on room stop host, on room start server, on room start create player, client virtual, on room client enter, on room client. I wonder how you can list all the rooms available, and then you can just pick anyone you want to enter. There should be an option here. Should be an option there, right? I think we can find it on network room manager, because on the offline we have a network room manager. Network room manager has this one. Okay, let's take a look at the network room manager. He got a lobby. Yeah, network room manager, they have on room server change loaded per player, on room stop client, on room stop server, on GUI, code down below, demonstrate start. Okay, let's do the readme. Okay, I just need to list all the rooms, right? I wonder how you can do that. Okay, Network Room Manager extension is also part of the Network Room Manager. Network Room Manager. Okay, let's go to Network Room Manager. I wonder what do they have in there. Network Lobby Manager. I think Network Room Manager, game state management, debugging, transport, network address, local host, spawn management, start position, scene management, network discovery. Suppose you are next to a friend and he start a game in host mode and you want to join him. How will your phone locate his? Finding out his IP address is not exactly intuitive or something kids can do. To solve this problem, you can use network discovery. When your game starts, it sends a message in your current network asking, is there any server available? Any server within the same network will reply and provide information about how to connect to it. Mirror comes with a simple implementation of network discovery you can simply use in your game. It also provides a way for you to extend it so that you can pass additional data during the discovery phase. This is what I'm looking for. To list all the room. Okay. Nice. Script, template. Suppose you're a friend. I wonder if there's example. And the network identity. Network authentication. Oh, network authentication. Network animator. I think this one animator triggers are not synced directly. Okay, so again sync all animators. Okay. Network behavior is server return true if in server context in this game object has been spawned. Is client return true in client context if this game object has been spawned by server. Is local player has authority on the client if this client has the authority on this game object. It is meaningless in the server context. Net ID, unique network ID of this game object. Okay, it has a unique ID. Connection to server, connection to client, synchronized variables. Okay, it has a server and clients object, has a object spawn, state updates, client RPC call object destroy, and client has an input ready and then commands and then disconnect. Okay. Network callbacks on start server, on stop server. Okay, looks good. I think what we actually need for discovering our room is this component called network discovery. Okay, should we create a server on a cloud so that computer don't host it and then we actually own the server? So we make the server, we're gonna host it in AWS, and then we're gonna yada yada yada, and then yeah. Okay, for now we're just gonna see the example and let's take a look at the example here. Room examples, multiple matches, multiple additive scene chat, basic, thanks, mirror example. What is this multiple matches? Demonstrate how to run a large number of non-basic game concurrent in single game. This would be the card, board, puzzle, arcade games where there is no basic involved, just messaging. Anyway, let's see if they have a let's see if they have network discovery. No, they don't. No, they don't. Alright, feels bad. But anyway, I think this one should be on save. Network manager HUD. Let's see. So offline, online, and then room scene. Don't save. Let's play once again. And then host server. And then on discovery network, let's have a quick start. To use this network discovery, follow this step. Create game object with network manager. If you have not done so already, do not add a network manager HUD. Discovery has a different UI component. Add a network discovery HUD component on the network manager. Okay, let's actually do that for a little bit. I'm gonna make a new folder here, and then let's say network discovery. Sorry, I'm just gonna run a little bit of experiment here. List all room. Okay, so I'm just gonna follow this documentation here. Create a game object with a network manager. Okay. Network manager. Network manager. Okay, I have network manager. Add a network discovery HUD component to the network manager game object. Network discovery HUD. Okay. Okay. Alright. Add the player to the network manager if not done so. Okay. On server found. Okay. Alright. Add a player to the network manager. Build, run, and standalone version. Okay, build, run, and standalone version. So we're just gonna say build and run. Save. Okay. Click on Start Host. Start Play Mode in the editor and click Find Servers. The editor should find the standalone version and display a button. Click on the button and connect to it. The client can show how full the server are. The client can show the ping to each server. So okay. So we're just gonna wait 1 moment. I'm confused. Where is it? Is it this one? Okay. So click on Start Host. Okay. Click Start Host here. Okay. And then wait, I think we messed it up. One moment. On the build settings, I think we messed it up. Delete. Add scene. There you go. Build and run. And then click find on servers. Okay, this one start host, right? Start host. Okay, that one is host, and then on the editor we're just gonna make this bigger and then hit play. Okay, find servers. Oh, we have one servers here. I'm gonna click it. Which one is mine here? Oh, okay. Is it this one or this one? I'm not sure. Okay, yeah. Nice. Okay, and then find servers. Discovered servers. How about the room? That one is server. So you're gonna start host. And then you're gonna anyway. Okay, I guess that's how you find the servers, and that's also how you find a room, by doing the network discovery. Yeah. Okay. Let's Google it for a second here. Mirror. How to list all rooms. Unity. What you're looking to build is lobby system where players can go to different rooms to launch matches. It's not directly implemented in Mirror, but you can use the Match Interest Manager component to build it yourself. Here's the video that goes more in depth on how to do it in that Mirror. Match Interest Management. Match Interest Management. Couldn't locate it. No. Multiplayer room based dedicated server. Check out room example that comes with Mirror. Room example is not what I'm asking for. As far as I understand, what you're looking for is already present in latest version of this state in form of multiple additive scene example. Players are spawned in different scene, and these scene do not interfere with each other in terms of rendering or physics. In default example, new player is added to either of two scene in round robin fashion. You can select a random option or create your own logic by modifying multiple scene net. Room port. Huh. Let's take a look. How to display rooms in the lobby. Oh, there you go. How to display rooms in the lobby. Oh, it's using Poton. God damn it. Not Poton, but Mirror. Showroom GUI. I wonder if you can. Wait, I wonder if you can do that. I have an idea. Delete this. So in example, in room scene, just gonna do this. Add open the scene. Add open the scene. Add open the scene. And then let's build and run this. And then we're gonna create a room. And then on the discovery, we're gonna discover it. And let's see. how it goes. Actually, let's have one more. Let's have one more. We have a powerful computer here, so it's all good. Let's have a test build. There you go. Test build. Nice. Okay, we have one. Again, we're gonna host it. Okay, and then we're gonna have a one more. Okay, we're gonna have a one more. Okay, there you go. We're gonna host again. God damn it. Wait, I couldn't host. What? No way. I couldn't host. God damn it. Okay, for now we're just gonna. Oh, okay. Room examples. Network discovery. List all the rooms. For now, let's play this. And then find servers. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. Okay, it doesn't work. How do you have a multiple rooms? Okay, anyway, let's go back again to our scene. So we have main menu. This is gonna be our offline main menu, and then we're gonna have a new scene called room scene. Okay, room scene. So it's gonna be room scene here. In the network room manager, we're gonna have a network room network manager HUD. Let's hit these. Okay, one moment. ちょっと待ってください. Room scene, offline scene, online scene, room scene. Okay, online scene is this one. Okay, let's hit play. Oh, wait, one moment. We need to add this on the scene build. Main menu, save. Room scene, save. Playground, save. Main menu, okay. Let's hit play and host. What the heck? What the heck happened there? Okay, there you go. Okay. So there's a stop ready. So this is the room thing here. There's player 1, player 2, player 3. Okay. Let's go to our HUD. Start buttons. Okay. Start buttons is the host plus client. Okay. Okay. Start client. Network address. Let's go to network address here. Hmm. 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 Offline, server only, client only, and host. I think we need help from Google. We're having a difficulty on listing all the rooms. So I'm just gonna say mirror Unity. How to list all rooms. I think.
Welcome to my quick tutorial on using my server list project. This is going to be a very quick and rough tutorial because I plan on making better ones down the road. On whatever server you like, for example, a dedicated hosting where all clients would connect to, and that's of course configurable inside the Unity app. And the port. This is the IP
Server
port
name,
that the
game
client
mode,
must connect to in
players.
order to join this server. One thing to note that is very important, in order to connect to the server list and publish changes as a server, you must have a password. And there are other options as well, and I'll talk about those later. You also must have the port for what the server list resides, as well the address of the server list. So if you're hosting this on a dedicated server, this would be that dedicated server IP and port. Now in my demo, I also have IP and port, and this is the IP and port of the actual game server that the client would connect to. And the rest of this information is what you see here. The server name, game mode, players, and ping. Although the ping is generated automatically, you're seeing 0 because I'm testing on localhost, but an actual ping will be displayed to the client. Using the server list is actually quite easy, but before I go on to that, let's finish talking about the server secret key. So this is the password.
Multiple room with custom option. Hosting a lobby for multiplayer using mirror. Mirror, title screen. Okay, let me just take a look at this. Okay. Connect to IP. Wait, do I need a lots of I'm thinking if I should create a dedicated or peer-to-peer network. I think peer-to-peer network is much more peer-to-peer network is much more budget, but let's take a look at the discussion here. Mirror peer to peer or dedicated server. Let's go to Reddit. Dedicated servers or peer-to-peer, and then say is Mirror is the best multiplayer? Mirror has dedicated servers, so does the MLP. In the end, how much documentation, resource, or what you need is what really matters. Mirror is great, nothing wrong with using it. Mirror has fuzzy Steamworks transport that allows you to use Steam for free data transport. But the most powerful thing it achieves is combating port forward issues, so every player doesn't need to forward their port or use VPN. This applies to peer-to-peer games. When using new Unity network, you'll need to pay for hosting a dedicated server. Always use VPN to connect globally with your friends. Mirror room list Unity. Okay, font 2. Never mind. I am new to Mirror. Get myself Udemy course, single room or much only. Room management slot, not updating correctly. Set connection ID. Why is it so hard? On start authority, creating room with costume versus to other players. Huh. I think we have a Unity, Mirror, multiplayer, room based. Hmm.
So on start, we set up the input, allow them only to continue or an abbreviation of your game name. But then room
Network
player
player
is
room
also
lobby.
a game player, so we have manager and override stuff to do our own. We have reference to
Okay.
the prefab for the network room player,
Network
which
room
is
player
an
lobby.
empty thing, but we want reference to a prefab of that. And then we have two actions here, two events, on client connected and on client disconnected. And I've made this so that you'd be adding and moving them from that. Okay. This is the code, it's all on the GitHub page down below if you've already got to. So what it's going to do is it's going to go to the network, again, turning this off, turning
Hmm.
that on, and then we'll be in the lobby. And finally the join lobby menu, which can be localhost if you're trying to. The reason we disable this on free network identity, that's our room play. So don't panel there. And I also have the script join lobby menu, which
Okay. Enter IP address. I
so
think. I think. I think the problem here is the IP address. How we gonna list all the IP address available on a dedicated server? Dedicated server only has one IP address. How we gonna separate all the rooms on one dedicated server that only has a one IP address?
drag that in, and then the landing page panel, and then this is all set up. Project has all its things set up, which is in, and it works. It takes me to lobby. We're now both here. You can actually see both our room players
Hmm.
are here. Okay. Go ahead and look on GitHub. It's all there made for you. Okay.
Okay, I think we need to replace our searching keyword. Unity mirror dedicated server room base. Dedicated server kit, online matchmaking for mirror and more. Oh, this is what I'm looking for. God damn. Okay, I think it has a GitHub. Oh, available in asset store. I don't wanna buy that. I don't have money. What does it say? Dedicated server kit. What the heck? So expensive. Compatible with Mirror, REST API, secure authentication, stored in MySQL database, convenient, easy to use game room matchmaking, ideal for room-based lobbies. Ah, goddamn. Compatible with Mirror. This kit is exclusive, intended to support server authoritative games, where the games are run on dedicated server. It does not support non-server authoritative game setups like peer-to-peer games or player-hosted servers. Even when using the kit for your game's back end, you are still responsible for writing the multiplayer logic in your game. This assumes a player of multiplayer programming on your end. As a user of the kit, you are solely responsible for the administration and maintenance cost of your dedicated server. This assumes a knowledge of what a dedicated server is. Mm, okay, first of all, we're gonna do some research because I'm not sure if we're gonna do the dedicated server or peer-to-peer server. Mm, let's take the example of Phasmophobia. Is P2Peer? Okay, I think this one is the right threads. Is Phasmophobia use peer-to-peer connection or is it using dedicated servers for lobbies? A bit late, but it says on their homepage, intents 4-player co-op, whether using VR or just a PC, form a team, 4 players, single starter, online with full dedicated servers. Okay, they have freaking dedicated servers. They have dedicated servers. Sorry if I'm not talking too much. I'm in voice chat with friends. No worries, no worries. No problem here. I'm just still debating how I'm gonna host this server. So I'm just going around the circle here without any progress. So don't worry. No worries here. I feel like I need lots of time to get a good idea on hosting this server. Does Mirror charge you later if you have more contemporaries experience using Mirror? Open source, they won't charge you for anything. Is that we need to host on your dedicated server. There's Mirror Pro though. Their lowest tier gives you access to 3 other tools, which may or may not need depending on your needs. Also, they also offer list server, which costs $20 a month. Oops, there's nothing. Showcases. I think we will be able to do it on GitHub. Let's go GitHub for now, and we're gonna search. We're gonna search for mirror room list. I think we should probably Google it. GitHub Unity mirror dedicated server room list. To build in server list, but any relay boss room co-op multiplayer RPG. Okay, which Unity UGE testing multiplayer server build multiplayer over internet. Okay, there you go. HTTP portforward.com. Inside guides on how to enable port forwarding in a huge number of routers. Boss room has UDP and needs 9998 external port to be open. Make sure your host address listen to 0000. Okay, what kind of mirror server? What kind of server is it using? Is it mirror? Let's go to assets. They don't have mirror. Yeah. So it's not mirror. Team capture. Okay, I think this one is Bolt. Oh. Let's go to assets, code source. Code source. Hmm. Uh, network solution. Right, Amazon, good network, implementing prototype, lobbies and room with player fighting each other. With drunk system will have a database for I have button tone, easy to use. But I had to host dedicated server and use Steam network to connect to the server because of port forwarding. Button tone limits up to 16. Okay. Multiple host instances using mirror. Okay, there you go. Oof, I found the thread in Reddit. This is what I'm looking for. Multiple host instances using mirror on dedicated server. Hi everyone, I am currently getting multiplayer development and did some training using the network package mirror. I also managed to compile a server version of my game and put it on dedicated server connected to it. Everything is working great, however, everybody is connecting to the same lobby. Okay, hosted by my dedicated server. So my question is rather simple. How do I host multiple lobbies on the same server? Can I do it with only one running server instance? Do I have run multiple instances on my server project? Is it even advertised to have multiple lobbies happening on the same server? Oh, I guess this tutorial covers your question.
Right, this is part 2 of setting up Mirror. In this part, we're going to be creating a lobby so that we can have one server instance running multiple games at once in our card game.
Yeah, this is what I'm looking for.
Right, so I've got this breakdown diagram here, which will be available to you as well.
Has finally replaced
This kind
the
of just shows
network match
the
checker
points of
component
entry. So
and
what shows all server
utilize
content. So
simply add
here's the host content.
match interest
We go from
management
here, we host a
component
game,
to
we get
your
a random match ID.
as well as replace
We'll
any
use this random
mentioned
match
network
ID
check
because
match
it's just going to be easier to
with network match
get
script.
certain
Huge
users when
instead
rooms
match
together,
checker.
and rather than having a list of all the available rooms,
Remove any
some users
costume.
might be interested in playing all
Instead,
these kind of card games, with
does that
multiple
work? Not
players.
necessarily.
Obviously, that could be changed out for a list of matches, which would then have to be
ちょっと待って。It says here, network match checker. Simply add match interest management. Match interest management. Okay, what this does? Match interest management. Dirty matches on spawn. Current match. Undestroyed. Rebuild match observer. Update. Update dirty match.
I would say probably study to give to our folks.
Okay, yeah.
Right, so just some information on how this mind map works. We have the key of what information happens on the local player only,
Mm-hmm.
what happens on the other clients that are not the local player,
Mm-hmm.
what happens on the server, what is a client RPC, so information that's being taken from the server to all clients, and what is the target RPC, so client information that is coming from the server directly to local player client only.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll work through this and it'll become clearer by the end of it. So first things first, we need to create this little interface over here, and UI information will be interpreted through is the only
Oh, there's some repository here.
on is going to be, no, it doesn't have to be public, that's for sure. It's just going to be void.
This project is built
Okay.
for single
And
dedicated
we'll
server
import
in which
request
multiple
to
clients can
the
run
prefix of CMD,
multiple matches.
and we also want to be able to pass in that ID.
Assets.
So let's do that. And then we're just going to call our CMD host game over here with underscore match ID.
Hi, this repo is demo project used.
Remember that this comes from the UI.
This project
This
is
comes
automatically.
the host. Yeah, okay. Here we get a random match ID from the matchmaker. This is just a static method. We're just moving it in the matchmaker because it is more of a host game. Done. So now
Okay.
in here,
Sync
we could
list
have
match.
a public list, a public sync list of match. And if it failed, we want to do something. Data.compute. It won't
Okay.
show the data over here, but we can see that it is there, just not the particulars of it. We'll get there. Right now, we can just make it do the same thing as the host. Index, set a player,
Match ID. Okay.
and then because we need to convert it to a GUID and set already have access to all our player game objects. Off. Save that and run sync to game. Okay, go back to the offline scene. Run that. Cool. Host local server. Run that. Okay, we host a
Okay.
S23G. No. Haven't assigned that text element. Lobby. Match ID goes to that one, and begin game button goes to that one. Make sure you assign everything.
Yeah. Sync toys. Okay.
Okay.
Host.
Okay, cool. No errors, and yes, we do have our correct ID there. So now if we go 0MY5B,
Join.
join. Okay, we got player 0 and 1. And if we go begin game, we have loaded into that scene on both of them. Fantastic.
Oh, I was playing the
Okay, so because it's an
video
empty
here.
scene, our game scene
I'm just
Yeah,
listening
we should
for
probably
now.
just add. We are getting
It's for dedicating a server.
R8
I wonder what is he using on. Wait, one moment.
PX.
Let's read the description here. Uh, sync what? Sync what? It use sync. Oh, this guy is pretty smart. Jared Brandes.
We assign everything.
Okay. Oh, okay. Sync toy. Left folder, right folder. Mirror. GL. Sync toy. What's sync toy? Sync toy was a freeware tool in Microsoft Power Toys series that provide an easy to use graphical user interface for synchronizing files and folders in Windows, vice versa. Hmm. I see. Let's go parallel. Sync. Unity. Parallel sync Unity. Then we're gonna copy this. We're gonna paste it here in our Unity. Package manager. Add GitHub URL. Add. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna progress that much today. We have a lobby, but we don't have a way to show all the rooms because I think I have to put a dedicated server before doing this, or maybe not. But anyway, wait, how are we gonna do it though? How are we gonna do this? Okay, I think. Okay, I see. Did he actually?
Was it just backwards?
Did he actually?
It went to player 0.
Okay, I see, I see, I see, I see, I see, I see, I
I
see.
think it's next.
I think I get it. I get it. Let's try it. Hit play, and then, for example, this is only server only. Server only. Stop server. That's kind of weird. Anyway. I thought the server is only gonna be. I thought it's gonna be easy, but seems like we're gonna get stuck here a little bit in this task. I would probably do my best to do it off stream because I think right now we're going in a circle. We probably have to spend more time figuring out how to do the room based multiplayer. So we're gonna have a one dedicated server. One dedicated server can host multiple room, and that multiple room has multiple players. And right now you can do that in Mirror, which is the multiplayer that we're gonna use. But we could there's a way to do that, and we're just gonna implement that on we can implement that using our own, making our own code. Mm, I see. Custom interest management. Anyway, I, let's search for this guy. I think I'm gonna follow this guy. Um, Mirror in Unity, auto host client connect. Mirror Unity. Free fab. Wait, what was the
Right, this is part 2 of
mirror
setting up
networking
Mirror.
in Unity?
This part we're going to be creating
Mirror. Okay.
the WebGL transport, and then next we're going for a
Mm-hmm.
so it's just going
Okay.
to need to write dot start project and copy the project in to have a duplicate of the Unity project in the same folder. Then open a program called I go and open my the on number 0. There we go. For the
Wait, how do you
service
make dedicated server though?
the network address that's already in there and just try and connect to it. Over here, when we want to join and build and server build, yeah, that would be better.
Okay.
Okay, then we just go to sync again.
Mm-hmm. And then what?
Let it compile over here. Okay, so we're going to start.
Okay.
Okay, we don't have a server. This is a client build, so we're going to host a
Okay.
local server.
Local
This
server.
one is going to attempt to connect directly, and there it does. Automatically connects. That is the automatic hosting and connection.
Yeah, I know that. How about the dedicated server?
This is part 2 of setting up interface over here. We can get rid of the image host join.
How do you create
This area
dedicated
is
server?
UI. We need to add in the using UI host layer. It's string so that we know if it was successful. Notice it in the an empty when we host the match.
Oh, it's kind of weird.
But
I think there's an easy way here. Mirror dedicated server. Unity. How to set up dedicated server. Unity. Video tutorials. Long tutorial explain how to set up lobbies, matchmaking with Mirror. I Server hosting, there you go. AWS. Setting an instance, management control. Okay, how do you... never mind. Fort forwarding. Anywhere, course description. If KFC, KCP in your network merger block, UDP not TCP, SSH with source anywhere. Make sure this one is correct. Create instance without this key. Launch instances. Time to get RDP. Okay, remote desktop, RDP file, access, setting up a firewall to allow connection through. How about the port forwarding? Connection, port check, and enter dedicated server IP. If you are not running your game project, then port will be closed. It's only open when server is running. In practice, you need to validate any client input in commands. Here's the actual video of someone exploiting the game made with Mirror, where the devs didn't verify client input. The game probably has CMD sell item function like this. Now notice we blindly trust the client to send the correct amount. There is no check whatsoever. A player only has one item. Anyway, we need Google client server. Unity Mirror client will not connect to the dedicated server when I think we will need to spend a huge amount of time to implement the dedicated server and also create the room-based server. So I think for the rest of this week I will spend both on stream and off stream figuring out on this subject. They have assets here, but it's $60. It's pretty expensive, and we don't have money for that, so we're gonna make it on our own. Warning potential buyers: great assets but not as easy to set up as documentation. So as stated, the outdoor various times they won't provide deployment support, which I think is okay. However, the outdoor better dang well have a very well, because I ran multiple issues and had headaches trying to set up this. I do recommend buying this asset if you want lightweight and simple network solution that uses Mirror and MySQL. However, beware, the documentation doesn't include all the information you need to properly set up this kit. You better have some experience or a lot of patience. If you don't have any experience at all, this will be difficult. Should buy this. Is how the IP address you type doesn't work due to the code, which I can't explain due to the lack of experience and research into it. Okay. Wait, is the stream ending? Soon. I could still work on it because I haven't really done any much progress than the room based. I feel like I need to host on AWS some server. This is AWS, and we will have a 750 hours of free dedicated server. Wait, how many months is that? 70 hours, 2 months. It's only 1 month. What the heck? God damn. Only 1 month. Unfortunately, they don't have the components for the matchmaking system. This is the server that we're using, Mirror, and they don't have the system that shows all the available room. And because it's not that they don't have it, because it's hard to implement it, because it requires a dedicated hosting, and dedicated hosting you should implement it on your own. Implement it on your own. Yeah, man, that sucks. I didn't thought about it. That sucks. Man, that sucks. port forwarding, mirror, unity, remote connection. Hello, I'm struggling to nail down the problem. I'm testing example chat scene from mirror. I set the port and open the same port on my router according to this instruction, but it looks basically the same.
Hey, what's going on? This is going to be a quick setup and demonstration of Amazon Web. This is running.
Oh, we also have a how to set up
You may run
AWS.
into whilst you're setting up that you've been charged like a P12 file for putty. For instance. Okay, now it's all running over here. We want to first the bottom over here.
Okay.
Loaded
Okay, I'm gonna follow this tutorial, and this one gonna requires a huge amount of time.
Okay, there we go. I'm in. This
Oh,
is now my
wait, Ubuntu? What the heck? I can't believe he did it on Ubuntu.
Go back and save that.
Wait. Instance macro? I thought this only works in Windows Server. What the heck? Really? Did it on Ubuntu? Wow, I'm I'm impressed. I'm impressed. So wait. Windows Server. Windows Server. General purpose. But this guy did it on Ubuntu.
It's more just so that it remembers my key. Otherwise, you're gonna have to put this in every single time.
Okay.
And I'm gonna press open. So it's gonna ask you the first time you trust it. Say yes, of course. And now 0.7. Okay, so that is access to our terminal,
Server.
basically how to run things. But now we need also access to copy things over to our server instance.
Okay.
So for that, we're going to P, but what we really want to do is this.
Okay. We have
Now we
a
are in the home directory of our
connection to the
file over
server.
there.
Nice. And then what?
Great. Okay. So let's set up a particular, and we're just going to go to
Inbound rules
anywhere.
on SSH.
Okay. Save that.
Okay.
Now 7777 is
7777.
for us to actually use ENVtuber. So
Only have
in
one
our
port. I thought you're gonna need use
project
multiple
over here.
port, but
Now, this network IP address, we're going to change that. This is now going to be the IP address on our server.
it's gonna be
Go
the
back over here to
IP address on the dedicated server.
copy
Yeah.
IP address over there.
Okay.
Pop that in there. And now we're ready to build here. So
Um.
go Control B. And you might find that you don't have Linux support there.
Mhm.
Right, easy fix. Go over to Unity Hub.
Mhm.
Over to
Install Ubuntu.
the version that you're currently working with as
Linux.
Linux build.
There you go. Done.
And that will go and download that.
Okay. Fair enough.
Under the
Instant settings, and then what?
there is memory leak.
Change
and
TP
it's been
T to
chowing,
T3
chowing, and
unlimited.
chowing, and eventually it caused my server to be using to test
Build AWS. Okay, you're gonna build one. Mirror. Wait, how do you? Oh, server build.
that pulled out. That shouldn't take too long to build. And then we
Okay.
can upload that to the server and run it.
Okay, you build it and then, man.
Cool. Build is done now, so let's upload that using WinSCP. So we use WinSCP to upload
WinSCP,
our files. We're just going to create, we're just going to that whole folder,
copy paste.
that entire folder over there. That's going to go and upload each individual file. We look here, when you're rebuilding your project, keeping these 4 files is totally fine. What does need to be rebuilt are these shared assets files over here and any other resources that gets added to it. These are quite standard over here.
Mm.
And let's see how big was that. So 70 megs for the server build roughly. And this is like without any content. You could zip this and then upload it and then unzip it through the command line. But that is extra steps. And from a Windows operating system, change directory to build. We can press tab, it'll load
Okay.
the rest of the
And then ls.
ls again, we can see all the files that are in there. And what we're very interested in is this specific file.
Okay,
here.
that one.
This is the executable. This is what's going to run the
Mm-hmm.
But we need to do one thing before that. Since this was coming from a Windows operating system, these files will not be marked as executable by default.
Okay.
So what we need to do is use the sudo command line
Sudo
and then chmod. So we're changing
755
permissions or
chmod
properties of
755.
these files. We're going to add executable to everything, so plus X, and we're going to do star. So star just means it's a wildcard, it means everything inside of this folder.
What? Everyone?
You need to make sure
Wildcard?
first of
Okay.
all that you are inside of the folder of build. Okay, and now if we do ls, we can press enter. Okay, server is now running. You can see there, server build. Now if we go back to Unity, and yes, our IP is in there.
Okay.
And we run this, we immediately get straight to the lobby, which means that it is working. If I were to cancel this with Control C and run this again, it's going to time out over here. Okay, see now we couldn't go in. So
Hmm.
you go up arrow, you get all the history, and down arrow as well. Press enter again, and my server's running.
Okay.
And we can click.
I see.
Yes, it is indeed working. Okay, now when you're dealing with multiple server instances or different game servers that are being run on here, the easiest way to manage all of that is by using basically a virtual terminal. So there's a command called tmux, so tmux to them. But this really helps just split the session here, multiple game instances. Then you would need to have kind of one master application that can receive all the connections and then reroute that connection to one of your sub instances. Put in the username, Ubuntu, and now if I want to get back to that section or that session, I can go tmux-a. But that is the basics of setting up your
Okay. Understand mirror. Let's actually do that. Let's try doing that. It's gonna be server into an architect. Copy to PHP files. Okay, dedicated server. Dedicated server for Windows is not installed. The fuck? Okay, how do you install this? Dedicated server support for Windows is not installed. downloads. Actually, let's do install and then add modules. Mac dedicated server, Linux dedicated server. They don't have Windows dedicated server. Oh, there you go. Windows dedicated server. Let's install that. Yeah, I feel like the stream today is not as it's not as, how do I say this? Doesn't have that much progress than yesterday. Setting up the server. I just realized today that setting up a server will take more time than I thought. I didn't consider that Mirror doesn't have a fully functional room list, so I will have to spend much more time setting up that kind of server, and hopefully starting by this weekend we will have a dedicated server for this game. Yeah. And once we have maybe get in contact with the person I showed you earlier. Oh, in Discord. Let's see. Yep. Oops. Not that one. This one. Handle project. Okay. Handle project. They have 2,735 tweets. Okay, they are legit. They have let's see their work. Nice. Oh, that looks good. I wonder if they only do this kind of model without. Oh, there's actually a texture here. Okay, ZBrush. They're using ZBrush, and they have texture. They can do texture. Oh, nice. Oh, yeah, there you go. The texturing. That's a nice work. ZBrush. Okay, lots of meme. And then just mention that you're the friend whose game it is. Okay. You think I'm dumb? Nice. Okay, I saw 3 works so far. Let's go back. Probably not. Oh, nice. Just sure, just DM me all the references to you want me to use, and I'll see what I can cook. Okay, VTuber who can Blender, comment down below if you're willing to help on a brand. Check out mine. I've been someone. What's up? Oh, I do work full time, so I might not be able to help, but it can hurt to ask. Ghost, I have the reference image. How complex is Ghost model going to be? What's the time commitment? I can send you the references. It's tight turnaround. I can do work on ZBrush that can help you do. That wouldn't take as long as can give the others a jumping off point for the base model. The Nanga would probably be the easiest starting point because it would be okay. I think we can short the project here. He said Nangal is gonna be easy. I thought White Lady is gonna be easy, but seems like Nangal is gonna be easy. I kind of guess because it's only half upper body, so it's gonna be easy. And Headless Priest and White Lady. We can pass on the Oni, but maybe in the future we could do something about it. For the time management, we could it doesn't necessarily have to finish on by the end of October. We can have a leeway time frame. Because yes, it's good if we finish it in October, but really don't have much resource on it. We're just gonna make a patch update, patch note. Well, since we're gonna release it as a early access, I guess everyone's gonna be understanding that most of our ghost is not modeled. Okay, I'm gonna follow this guy. I'm gonna insert some thing here. Let's see. First, I'm gonna greet him. Hello. My hello. Here we go. What was it again? Tweets. Where's the tweets? Wait, it's gone? What the heck? Tweets and reply. Where's it? Okay, there you go. So he need more references on Uncle. Um, I'm Pogu. Hello, I'm Pogu and in Ju oh, what? Where's it? What? What happened? No, no, don't say it, don't say it, don't say it, don't say it. Oh my god, I messed up. Where is it? Did it send? Okay, it didn't send. What the heck? So many. What? I feel like a boomer now. Handle project and then direct message. There we go. Hello. My name is Pogu and also I recommend interacting on Twitter as it may help with growing a community somewhat. Yep. Yep. I'll try my best. Hello, my name is Pogu. Add you in. Add you in. Let's say my friend add you in mentioned to me. Mentioned to me that you could help us create a 3D model for our game. I appreciate your we really need a 3D model for our upcoming game, but we don't have a resource for that. So we really appreciate your help. 3D model ghost for our game. I should probably ask if he really want to help us. Hello, my name is Pogu. My friend Adrian mentioned to me that you could help us create a 3D model for our game. We really need a 3D model ghost for our upcoming game, but we don't have a resource for that. Would you be so kind and help us create the 3D model? Time wise, you don't have to worry about the time. Please do not worry about the time deadline. Please don't worry about the time. I could do something about it. Please do not worry about the time as I will release the game as please don't worry I will release the game as an early access so that once the model is done we could just add the model as an update as a future update. Hello, my name is Pogu. My friend Jujui mentioned to me that you could help us create 3D model for our game. We really need a 3D model for our ghost for our game, but we don't have a resource for that. Would you be so kind to help us create a 3D model? Please don't worry about the time. I will release the game as an early access so that once the model is done, you could just add the model as a future update. Please let me know if you need some references. Please let me know if you need something. Looking forward hearing from you. Pogu. Oh, that's okay. And let's send this. Hello, my name is Pogu. My name is me. All right, nice. Actually, didn't thought about that. Should probably tweet it. VTuber who can use Blender, comment down below if you're willing to help on a friend. Yeah, I should also make a post of this. And let's make a tweet. If we're gonna make a tweet, let's search for the tag. I bet VTuber tag is gonna be useful, but I think there's a game dev, indie dev, 3D. Let's try 3D. 3D what? 3D? Okay. There's hashtag Blender, hashtag 3D. And this one looks cool. God damn. There's also animation. Bala. Let's see his work. That one. Oh, it's only two works. He just joined August 2022. I'm not sure if he is a artist or not. Well, it looks cool though. Anyway, let's make a tweet. So we're gonna add this thing here and then hashtag 3D modeling. Hashtag 3D modeling, Blender 3D, game dev. Hashtag 3D modeling, hashtag Blender 3D or Blender, hashtag game dev, hashtag indie dev, and then hashtag VTuber. Okay, and then what we're gonna tweet, we're gonna ask for help, right? Using too many tags doesn't help with the algorithm. Okay, I see. Is that I think that's fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I can reduce this by removing the blender and then 3D modeling. So 1, 2, and then we can remove this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 is fine. So hello everyone. I'm currently making a horror game. I'll send you a reference later for how to work with the algorithm. That's good. Hello everyone, I'm currently making a horror game and need some 3D modeling. I wonder if anyone is willing to help me. I feel like the wording here is not right. I should probably like gentle. Hello everyone, I'm currently making a horror game and it needs some 3D modeling. I am looking for help in this area. My budget budget is really tight and hello everyone, I'm going. So my budget is really tight. Hello everyone, I'm currently making a horror game and it needs something. Hoping if anyone is willing to volunteer. I appreciate I appreciate oh god, English is hard. I appreciate and then we should probably send some image here. Should we send an image? Let's see. View large icon. Oh, this one. This meme. Yep. This. Yep. Save. Dekosa. I think this one will work. All right, it's a tweet. Should also put it on. How do you add? Just an audience, and then okay. And then let's tweet. Okay, let's tweet it on. Let's actually tweet it on the other. Let's pick this one. let's edit this, and then this. I feel like this, and then save. And then we're gonna do it here. Yeah. Tweet. There you go. Nice. Let's go to our community, VTuber community. Yeah, you know this meme? Yeah, it's pretty good. This meme is pretty good. High level Degosa. thank God I saved it on my computer. I was watching it and I was like, oh, that's actually a really nice meme. And then I saved it on my computer. Because I know it's gonna be. Oh, someone already messaged me. Hi, I would like you learn more about your 3D project so that I can assist you accordingly. Okay, let's stalk her. Wait. Oh, she's following me? Not everyone can become a great artist, but an artist can become anywhere. Okay, let's see her work. Okay, nice, nice, nice. Most likely GFX. Yeah, I was looking. Let's see. Yeah, I think this one is a red plug for me. This kind of thing is a red flag. Um, it only he only she only has a one work here. Okay, that's two. Zoom. Yeah, she actually messaged me so fast, so I was kind of doubting if this is a GFX, a bot. Bec- uh, she recently joined in June 2022. If they responded and follow immediately, beware. Let me see if she followed me. Yeah, she followed me immediately. Yeah, I think she's GFX. Yeah, definitely GFX. Man, that sucks. Hmm. You should automatically be able to tell if they're real or not. Yeah, still hoping, you know. Who should I follow? I mean, if they're doing it for free, I don't mind it. DM, 3 pending. God damn it. God damn it. Yeah, this kind of thing is really not good. Mm, Also prepare for lots of DM and from them, unfortunately. Damn. Yeah, feels bad. If you are an artist, you should have a portfolio, right? She should have a portfolio website around here, and she doesn't have it. That's really not good. Hmm. And that sucks. It raised my hopes, you know. Even if you ask for portfolio from them, it usually is stolen art. Yeah. I mean, you don't have to ask it because they should be proud of it and then they should put it on their info, but they're not putting it on the info. That means it's stolen. They should put it like this: Pogu desu, and then you're gonna click it. You're gonna click it, and you're gonna go to my website. That's where all my work's gonna be. Anyway. hmm Oh, my spelling is not right. Oh well. Oh, it's correct. I see. I just confused myself. Oh, dekosa. Look at that. That's an art. Okay, let's explore the 3D. 3D. Man, this was a really nice work. I like it. I saw my own tweet. Oh, jeez, this one looks good. Dang. Unreal Engine 5? Damn. Oh, this one has a. This one's legit. Definitely legit. Has a website. Okay, nice. Oof, looks so good. Look at that. Look at this. That's a definition of art. Megane. Akane sensei. 3D models. Singular assets depends. Starting experiment making a background for streaming. Oh, let's do art station and prices. Prices. All rooms, regardless of the size, will be based on the price. God damn. 120 pound? Damn. Oh, room commission. Wait, this is only room? Oh, he only does only room here. Okay, never mind. I see. He only does room and decoration. Ah, ara. Okay. This one looks good. This looks good. Oh, so many people doing 3D. Hmm. Ina. Ina. Hmm. Man, I wish I have talent for that. Ina. God damn, there's so many bot. What the heck? Oh, this one looks cool. Oh my god, the design looks good. Oh, Maya? Nice. ZBrush? Nice. Dang. Looks real. Dang. Let's see his artwork. Holy moly. Look at that. So good. God damn it. No. How about no? There you go. Oh. How about no? There you go. Oops. There you go. Dang. She's professional. 27 years old. French 3D sculptor. Character design. Shop. Portfolio. Foundation. Okay, let's go portfolio. Wow. Look at that. 2B. 2B is here. That's some high details. Some high details right there. Ooh, look at the boobies. Look at that. Like you can see the pore on his cheek. On her cheek. Look at this high details. Dang. Look at that special effect right there. I wonder how much her commission. Let's take a look. Shop. Okay, let's go to shop. Fabric materials, 3D painter, brush, hair, lean, file, scope. Okay, is that the model? Just a scope? see. Wait, 72 smart materials? Uh, okay. Ah, I see. Anyway, she doesn't have a commission. I don't think. Oh, wait, she's doing NFT? She's doing NFTs? Dang. Has not showed any available NFTs at the moment. Canvas. This looks amazing, yeah. Very talented. Very talented. Yeah, I wanna work with her, you know. Imagine having this model in game. She has a animation, she can move well, living and breathing. Nice. I'm gonna follow her. Cool, cool. Oh, this one so looks good. Impressive. The amount of details, really impressive. It's like a real people here. It's 3D, but looks like a very real person. Dang. So talented. That's so talented. Mm, I think it's time to end this stream. Just just searching for things here. Anyway, I think it's time to end the stream. Uh, I'll be back tomorrow at usual time. At usual time, and hopefully we could by that time we could have a dedicated server hosted in AWS. And yeah, mm, we're gonna continue our making lobby. I bet once we have a dedicated server, I think that's gonna be smoothly ride. But yeah. Mm. Anyway, that's it for now. See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye, Ijuin.